Hi, I'm Kris Bakke, and this is my colleague Jordan Nelson, and we are customer engagement managers with Nasco Education. I am on the art side, and Jordan is on the STEM side, but don't worry, he puts the A into STEAM. And so with that, I will introduce Jordan, and he's going to do a fun science into art lesson plan.
Well, thanks, Kris. Well, I'm really excited about this. So what I'm going to be focusing on is our digital middle school STEM program. And so what they're going to be doing is enhancing a greeting card with some science. So this is how it's going to be done. So first, what you want to really do is get the conceptual of actually building your greeting card. Now, where the science comes in is we're going to actually enhance it by adding some electricity. So just a little bit of background about the electricity. Batteries have two terminals, negative and positive. Positive terminal is the top where that little button part is, very simple. The negative's at the bottom, and what you want to do is connect wires or any kind of conductive tape, thread, whatever you have for materials for your card. We use tape in this instance, and then you can connect to negative all the way to your positive. And you can add LEDs or other sensors, buzzers, whatever else you want to be able to add onto it. It makes it really great. So once you're all finally done, what you're going to end up with was the project something similar to this. So we're all about the 4 C's: communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. And we also added a little pop-up scene for you, a little light bulb. Nice, like, hey, great ideas, right? And just to kind of show you a little bit of what we did is we used conductive tape, we used some LEDs, and then we used, as I'm pulling away my little circuit here, LEDs, conductive tape, and CR2032 batteries. So it's just nice little small volt batteries that you can utilize with LEDs, and I have a couple of them in there. Very basic. But this is a great activity for students that you can use, and the best part about it is it uses the engineered design cycle, right? And that's a really big part of what art does already. So easily integrating all these different challenges. There's 100 challenges on part of our middle school STEM program. If you're interested in finding out a little bit more, it covers standards like science, specifically the next generation science standards, also known as NGSS. It's linked to the art standards, it's linked to English arts, and then it's also linked to the ISTE standards as well. So,
Very good. And if you are in an art room, obviously you can create something way more enhanced than our very basic. But if you're partnering with a science teacher who the creative side might get scary, you can let them know it's glue sticks, it's markers, it's scissors, it's paper. And so anybody can do this. If Jordan can do it, anyone can do it. No, I'm just kidding.
yeah.
I'm just teasing Jordan. He's actually very creative. And so don't let the science scare you. We've got people here that are happy to help, and there's science teachers you can reach out to. Jordan can probably connect you to some real good people. I can certainly help.
Absolutely.
And we just want you to add some art into science and some science into art and get collaborating out there. Thanks for joining us today.